In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim a Facebook ad coupon or ad credit in just 5 minutes. If you're new to Facebook advertising or simply want to make the most out of your advertising budget, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily redeem that coupon you've been holding on to. First, we start by heading over to Facebook Ads Manager. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing Facebook Ads Manager into the search engine, or simply entering the URL if you have it saved. Once you're on the main page, look for the option that says Go to Ads Manager and give it a click. Here you'll be prompted to log in with your Facebook credentials. Enter your email and password in the designated fields. Double check that you've input everything correctly to avoid any login errors. Once everything is good to go, click on the login button. This step ensures you have access to all necessary Facebook business tools and you'll be directed straight to your Ads Manager dashboard. Now take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Ads Manager interface if you haven't already. Once you're settled, head over to the campaigns dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage all your ad campaigns, so it's essential to know your way around it. Next, locate the billing and payments section. You might find this either on the left side menu or at the top navigation bar. Clicking on it will take you to a new page where you'll find details about billing and payment methods associated with your ads account. From here, identify the payment settings tab. This is where you'll update or add payment methods to your account. Click on Add Payment Method. A window will pop up presenting different options to choose from. For the purpose of this tutorial, select Add Credit. This option allows you to directly apply the coupon or credit you have to your account. Once you have selected Add Credit, hit the Next button. This action will bring up a field where you can enter the code from your ad coupon. Carefully type in the code and ensure there are no typos, as this will prevent any errors during the claim process. Finally, after entering your code, click on the Claim button. If everything is correct, your ad credit should be successfully applied to your account. You can verify this by checking your account balance or confirming the credit amount in your payment history. Congratulations, you've successfully claimed your Facebook ad credit. By following these steps, you're now ready to extend your campaign budget and see enhanced results from your Facebook advertising efforts. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps anytime you need to reclaim ad credits in the future. Happy advertising!